To fix Shopify not connecting to Facebook, start by checking your Facebook account and Shopify store settings. Ensure that your Facebook account is active and you have the necessary permissions to manage your store's Facebook page. Next, verify that your Shopify store has the Facebook channel installed and set up correctly. Go to your Shopify admin panel. Click on the plus icon next to Sales Channels and select Facebook. If you do not see the Facebook channel, click on Add Sales Channel and follow the prompts to install it. Then, check your Facebook page settings to ensure that your Shopify store is connected to the correct Facebook page. Make sure that your Facebook page is a business page, not a personal page, as this is a requirement for connecting to Shopify. If you have verified all of the above settings and your Shopify store is still not connecting to Facebook, try resetting the connection by clicking on the disconnect button next to your Facebook page in your Shopify admin panel, then reconnecting it. Additionally, ensure that your Facebook page has the necessary permissions to allow Shopify to manage your page and products. Go to your Facebook page settings. Click on Page Roles, and ensure that your Shopify store has the manager role. If you are still experiencing issues, check for any error messages or notifications in your Shopify admin panel or Facebook page settings that may indicate the cause of the problem. You can also try clearing your browser cache and cookies, or using a different browser to see if the issue is browser specific. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Shopify support or a Facebook support specialist for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more detailed guidance on resolving the connection problem. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue causing your Shopify store not to connect to Facebook, and get your online store up and running smoothly.